Welcome to Tarmac. Today I'm in Dunedin and going to be introduced to the all-new Holden Commodore. We're going to be taking on a big drive from Dunedin all the way up to Queenstown to fly back to Auckland. So hopefully you enjoy the ride. And here they are, the whole new Holden Commodores, including the sedan, which is just getting parked now, the Tourer, the Calais. Look at these models all lined up ready for us to take all the way to sunny Queenstown, rather than Queensland. That would be kind of different. Coming in either V6 model or 2 litre. This one's obviously the V6. And 4-wheel drive as well, so apparently sticks to the road like something does to a blanket. So looking forward to testing that out. Good look at their rear ends. Some VXR interior. Oh,
unlock my seatbelt.
Can't go without a massage.
No, you can't.
Smooth on up chain. Oh, so 9-speed on both the 2 litre and the V6.
Correct, yeah.
Okay. And this is self-park.
Yes.
Everything's going self-park now.
New generation as well, so all you do is shift, so you don't have to accelerate or brake anymore.
A little bit more massage, I think, for country roads. Through the mist.
2 litre gets away okay?
Yeah. Looks great with the Otago backdrop.